When did the Industrial Revolution begin? In which country did the Industrial Revolution start? What was the key invention that powered the Industrial Revolution? Who invented the spinning jenny? What industry was the first to industrialize? What impact did the Industrial Revolution have on urban areas? What was the name of the system where goods were made at home before factories? Who improved the steam engine, making it more efficient? What transportation innovation expanded rapidly during the Industrial Revolution? What invention by Eli Whitney revolutionized the cotton industry? Which social class grew the most due to the Industrial Revolution? What was a major negative effect of the Industrial Revolution? What was the purpose of labor unions? What invention revolutionized communication during the Industrial Revolution? Who invented the first practical telegraph? Which energy source replaced water and wind during the Industrial Revolution? What invention by Henry Ford revolutionized manufacturing? Which country was the second to industrialize after Britain? What was a major effect of the Industrial Revolution on the environment? Which invention is associated with improved steel production?